Hi guys, it's Keisha. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I'm going to do a lock detox. It's been 4 years and I've never done a detox on my locks, so I'm kind of interested to see how it's going to turn out. I noticed some buildup like around my edges and in the back of my head when I was doing my interlocking video, so decided to go ahead and give this a try and see if I can get all that buildup off. So if you're interested in seeing how that turns out, I'll admit I'm a little nervous that it's going to be kind of nasty, but if you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
All right, I'm back. So if you saw the water, it looked pretty nasty, but I guess that's expected. It's been 4 years and I've never done a detox before, so hopefully when I do them more often it won't be as bad. So I'm thinking I might do them every 6 months, so twice a year, so hopefully it'll be better. I'm kind of happy with the results. I think it did get some of the buildup up. I might have needed to soak it a little bit longer because I'm seeing some buildup still throughout, but I do think it made a difference. My hair feels really good, obviously from the water. It got some stuff out, so it's definitely something that I would do again. So after I finished the detox, I pretty much jumped in the shower and just shampooed my hair really well, making sure to focus on the ends and trying to get whatever the detox brought up washed out. So I think it went pretty well. My hair feels pretty good. It doesn't feel dry or anything like that. So afterwards, I just kind of just sprayed my hair with rose water just to put some moisture back into it. I think I might put some oil on my scalp as well. I would suggest this detox to anyone that wants to try it. There's so many different ways that you can do the detox. I know some people put lemon juice in there. Some people don't use baking soda. Some people use way more apple cider vinegar. So just watch different YouTube videos or look online if you want to kind of tweak the recipe. I found mine on someone else's YouTube video. I think the only thing I left out was the lemon juice. Also, just so you guys know, the buildup on my hair isn't from products. I have a very flaky scalp, and I'm still playing around with trying to figure out what is best for me. I noticed that when I use less oils and wash my hair once a week or twice or every 2 weeks, it's not as bad. So my hair definitely isn't as flaky as it used to be, but I still kind of suffer from a lot of dandruff, and I think that's what has gotten trapped in the locks throughout these years, because I don't use anything other than water and sometimes rose water. Alright, so if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe. That way I know you guys are enjoying these videos and I can make many more for you. Also, please remember to follow me on my other social media platforms. I love interacting with you guys and hearing about your lock stories and your lock journey and all those things. So as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.